My name is Anvita Murode. I am studying in second standard.
States and capitals: Himachal Pradesh,
Shimla,
Punjab,
Chandigarh,
Uttarakhand,
Dehradun,
Haryana,
Chandigarh,
Rajasthan,
Jaipur,
Uttar Pradesh,
Lucknow,
Bihar,
Patna,
Sikkim,
Gangtok,
Jharkhand,
Ranchi,
Gujarat,
Gandhinagar,
Odisha,
Bhubaneswar,
Telangana,
Hyderabad,
Karnataka,
Bengaluru,
Tamil Nadu,
Chennai,
West Bengal,
Kolkata,
Assam,
Dispur,
Arunachal Pradesh,
Itanagar,
Nagaland,
Kohima,
Manipur,
Imphal,
Mizoram,
Aizawl,
Tripura,
Agartala,
Meghalaya,
Shillong,
Madhya Pradesh,
Bhopal,
Chhattisgarh,
Raipur,
Maharashtra,
Mumbai,
Andhra Pradesh,
Amravati,
Goa,
Panaji,
Kerala.
Thiruvananthapuram. Thank you.